Designing a room is thrilling, from the furniture to the colors on the wall. The best way to create a unique space for everyone to enjoy is to add creative fabrics, cool wallpapers, and new texture to the room.
DecoratorsBest was the first company to bring exclusive designer products to the consumer online. 18 years ago, my husband gave me a laptop for my birthday, and I was quite excited about it, learning how to use it and learning how to be on the internet. At the time, I was an interior designer working mainly in New York City and the Hamptons. But I saw that no one was selling designer fabric and wallpaper online, and I saw there was a niche to fill. So I went ahead and I just started this little fledgling business. And it's really grown exponentially since then. 18 years later, someone goes on our website, they can find about 200,000 designer products, ranging from traditional style, transitional, contemporary, modern, and of course we have more select ones such as coastal and global. And they can find really any color that they want. We even have pages now set up where we have sky blue and navy blue and aqua and things like that to really narrow down a customer's search and make it as easy as possible to go through all of these fabrics. For me, the very biggest priority has always been customer service. 18 years ago, people would call an 800 number or a website, and it would just ring for hours. No one would answer. Well, I didn't want that. I wanted to have a website where we answer right away for a customer, whether it's an email, a text, Instagram, I mean, any way they want to communicate with us, we want to try and get back to them and answer their questions as best as possible, whether they're ordering a sample or placing a huge order. Really, what's important is to treat each customer so they feel special and they can have their questions answered readily for them. The quiz. We created that about a year ago, and it's one of the things I'm most proud about. I pretended that I was talking with an interior design customer and all of the types of questions that I would ask them and trying to get that. So we narrowed it down to people who know what they want and they know what room they're working in and color, and then we help them sort through that and find the right products for them. Or if, let's say, they don't know anything, we have a big question mark, well, it will help them sort through what are the different styles that are available. Do you like transitional? Do you like contemporary? First, we only sell top quality, it's called first quality merchandise. And they can expect to have a really fine product come to their home and in a timely way, and something that they're really proud of.
If you're looking for new fabric to reupholster an old chair or for unique wallpaper to spice up a room, visit their website, DecoratorsBest.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.